Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to plant lettuce seeds because it's already fall and lettuce is a cold weather plant. So I have these four different varieties of lettuce which I'm going to plant in this, all four of them in one planter. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to divide this planter in four parts and put some seeds of each of these in all those four sections. So this has a good potting soil mix with a lot of compost. It has good drainage at the bottom because that is very important. And this is heirloom lettuce, so I'm just going to take a few seeds and scatter them in one quadrant. And this one is Rainbow Chard, so I'm going to do the same thing, take some seeds and scatter in a different quadrant. And it may look like as if I am sowing too many seeds, but not every seed grows, so it's okay. uh, we can thin them out once they grow. So then this is lettuce blend, and I just want to be sure I want to sow more seeds instead of not having enough plants. This one is ruby gem romaine lettuce, so again the same thing, just spread the seeds. Now just I'll just cover the seeds with about half an inch of soil, and so that way they will be buried, and of course they'll stay warm and uh, moist, and that will help in the germination process. So basically we have planted three different varieties of lettuce and one rainbow chard. And lettuce likes moist soil, so it should never be too dry. So now I'm going to just water this. It's been about 4 weeks, and I see that in one corner we are growing, some saplings. So this was the rainbow chard, which has grown, and actually the squirrels have been kind of digging this up and pushing the seeds into corners. So only on the sides there are a lot of seeds growing, and rest of the three different varieties of lettuces, they have not grown. So 4 more weeks have passed, and our rainbow chard is growing pretty nicely, and rest of the lettuce plants have not grown. So now I don't think they'll grow. So because they are all cornered in one side, I have already spread them out a little bit, and they are still bunched up in the corner, but most of them I have uh, spread all over the plant, so that they can grow better. So rainbow chart, if it is cooler weather, then full sun is all right, but in summers they should be in partial shade. It requires full well draining soil, and it should be fertile, a lot of organic material, a lot of compost that helps. And it needs a lot of water. I mean, all the leafy vegetables normally they like a little bit more water, so keep the soil a little bit moist. They may grow, 1 feet tall or maybe 2 feet tall and no more than that. And the most interesting thing is because that this is rainbow chard, it will have some maroon purple veins in the foliage, so that will look really beautiful. And I am already seeing that the foliage is colorful. So as I said before, I mean, if in summers it will require partial shade, and similarly, if you were planting it in fall, then you have to protect it from frost. And right now it's not ready to harvest, but maybe in another 4 weeks it will grow to its full size, and then I can start harvesting it. But be careful that you don't want to harvest it from the middle. Just if you were cutting the whole plant, then it's a different thing. But if you just needed a few leaves, then take the outside leaves so that the new growth keeps on coming from the middle. And you can have you can plant it in fall and then enjoy it in spring and summer, or you can plant it in late summer and then enjoy in the fall. So my plants, they look a little crowded, and I'll just keep on thinning them as they grow, saving the best growing plants. um, if you are planting it fresh, then maybe you can plant them about 6 inches apart. So, and if they all grow, then you will have a good. They'll have good space to grow then. I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.